Hello, Ankita.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Can you open your camera?
Yes, sir. Am I visible? Can.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start with introduction.
Okay.
Please
First
introduce
of all,
yourself. Hmm?
okay. Uh, First of all, sir, sorry that I joined the meet 1 minute late for that reason.
Okay.
Okay. So, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ankita Satish Kulkarni, and I am from Solapur. I have done my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lunare, with an aggregate of 8.5. Talking about my strength and weaknesses, my strength is that I'm self motivated and I'm totally dedicated towards my work. And talking about my weakness is that I'm an overthinking person and sometimes it ruins some tasks. And talking about my hobbies, I love to dance, I love to watch the movies, I love to explore the new places, and I love to spend the time with my friends and my family. So this is all about me. Thank you.
Okay. When you have did your graduation,
I have done it in this year, 2023.
so you are fresher. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm a fresher.
So, let's start from HTML, CSS, and next
Okay.
JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
So, what is HTML?
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used to make the structure of the web page. Means it define the structure of the web pages.
Okay. Difference between HTML and HTML5.
HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. There were some features which were not present in HTML. So that were the multimedia queries that if you want to add the video or audio in the web page, then HTML it was not supported, but HTML5 has that feature. And talking about other features like URL means email URL, that features were not present in HTML, but it is present in the latest version, that is HTML5.
So, can you give me some information about semantic tag, which we got in HTML5?
Yeah. Semantic tag means it gives the information about what content should be displayed on a web page. Means, for example, if you want to add the footer to the web page, then we use the footer tag. So it clearly mentioned that it clearly mentioned to the developers that footer should be added to the on a web page. And there are some tags like div tag, span tag. That doesn't give the exact information that what type of content is present in that tags. So in short, the semantic tags gives the exact information about the content of the present in that tag, the content present in that tag.
Means, okay, got it. What is the purpose of semantic tag? Means, when we use semantic tag in our project, then what will happen?
Means if we use or if we not use that tag.
This means, basically, when we use the semantic tag, then what effect in our project?
Um, means
What is the use of semantic tag? As you say, semantic tag describe or break the content of the website, or but what will
uh,
happen?
if semantic
Semantic tag.
tag as a footer is a semantic tag, so it
Yes.
becomes easy for us to add footer by using the footer tag.
Apart
But
from this, another use.
actually, I don't know, how to. Yes.
Okay. Basically, when we use semantic tag, then we
Okay.
can increase our SEO, search engine optimization. It affect on our SEOs. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir.
So, do you know doc type declaration?
Yeah, it is present on the top of the code.
So, what will happen if there is no doc type?
Basically, doc type is used. It gives the information that what exact document is present in that code, or what it is taking, what type of document is present. So if
Doc type is a case sensitive or not?
doc type, I'm not aware
Hello,
about this. Yes, sir. Yes.
hello, Ankita, am I audible?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, you are
Yes.
audible.
Okay.
I'm not sure about my answer, but I think that it's case sensitive. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay. Next, what is block level element and inline element?
Inline elements. I have not ideas. I have no idea. Means I have read the concept, but right now I'm unable to recall that concept.
Okay. Do you know about div and span? The difference between div tag and span tag?
I can tell about the div tag, but I can't tell the difference between these two tags.
Okay. Okay. What are hyperlink in HTML?
Hyperlink is basically that it connects the two web pages by using the anchor tag. Means if you use anchor tag, then it will connect the two pages from one page to another web page. It will take us.
Suppose I want to open the web page in our browser, then which attribute we use in anchor tag, and the value is
Means anchor tag, in that we write href, means reference, and in
basically
that we
yes. But when we redirect the page, then we use anchor tag. But I want to open the web page in our browser, in our website, then which attribute we use?
means we have to means we open the web page, right?
Yes. When we suppose you create one hyperlink like google.com, okay, and you redirect to another web page, okay, another tab. So I want to change. It's open in our browser or our web page. You can
So
use
I have no
target
idea.
attribute. Have you heard about
Okay.
target?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I have heard. Yes.
Okay. Next, what are attributes?
Attributes are the properties of the HTML tag, means written in that. Means for example, if we are using the tag paragraph tag, that is P, and if we are writing in that if we are writing some content between the two tags, so it the attributes contains the opening tag, the content, and the closing tag. So it tells the properties of that tags. It is the group of tags, we can say that set of tags.
Give some example.
For example, if we are right in body, if I want to print one line, and if I make the use of paragraph tag, and if I write P, and in that paragraph tag, in opening and closing between these two tags, if I write the content, this is my first interview, if I write that content, so attribute will be the paragraph tag, which is starting opening tag, the content, and the closing tag.
No, you are wrong. Actually, this is an element. Okay. Basically, attribute
Yes.
means
Okay.
it gives
Yes.
yes, it gives some meta information about the okay.
Yes, yes, sorry.
Yes. Can you give me some example? Like,
Yes, while using the image tag, we use two attributes, that is source and alternate.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, if we want to display the image, then in the source tag, we write the name of the image, or we just copy the URL there.
Yes.
So that we can, yes, we can display on a web page.
Okay. Next we move on CSS. What is CSS?
CSS stands for cascading style shapes, and it is used to style the web pages, to make the web pages more creative into styling
Okay.
the web pages.
Difference between CSS and CSS3?
CSS and CSS3. I'm unable to.
Okay, okay, okay. What is CSS selectors and name?
Okay, by using there are CSS selectors like means universal selector is there, then ID selector and class selectors. Means if we have given in HTML, if I want to make a style by using the ID of that contents, then we can use the ID selector, and it is represented by hash. And if I want to make the changes, if I want to make this style in the class, using class, then it is called as class selectors, and it is represented by using asterisk mark. Sorry, dot notation. And universal selector is that the styling is applied to any elements in the HTML body, and it is denoted by asterisk mark in CSS.
Apart from these, another CSS selectors?
That enchant selectors. I'm not sure about
Have you
others.
heard about combinator, descendant, pseudo class selector?
I have heard, but right now I don't know the concept of it.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm unable to recall that concept.
Okay. So next, how many ways can we integrate the CSS in web page?
So can you repeat your question?
How many ways we can give the CSS in our web page?
Okay. We can link the HTML CSS file to the HTML by using the link tag. This is the first way. Am I correct, sir? Means this is the question you have to ask me.
Yes, 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 correct, correct.
Yeah, okay. This is the first way. Second way is that we can use this style tag inside the HTML body, and we can add the CSS to the web pages. And the third one is that by using the style tag for a particular element, means for example, if I have wrote h1 and then I have written that this is heading 1, and if I want to make the style, if I want to apply this style to that h1 element, then I will write h1 and style, I will apply the style there only in the h1 tag. So this is the third way.
Okay. Difference between display none and visibility header?
Difference between
Display none and visibility hidden.
Display none means that there will be no content display on that web page. Then means, and visibility, I don't know.
Display none means the content is not display, and visibility hidden also the content is not displayed. But the main difference
means I think visibility, it will hide the elements. To hide the elements, we use that property. Visibility
both
hidden.
are we are using for hide the elements, but
hide the elements.
what happens when we use display none and visibility hidden? Okay, you try after some time. Share your screen and take a div tag and give the style of width 500 pixel and create a box and move it on center.
Okay. So can you repeat that created view?
Open your VS Code browser.
Is my invisible?
Yes, it's visible. Open VS Code and yes, give the class name and give the CSS of style width 500 pixel, height 500 pixel, and background color, and move it on the center of web page.
Width 500, height 500, and background color. Okay. Sir, here should I write any text or something else?
No, there is no need to write the text. Open your browser, run the page. Yes, I think give the width and height 100 pixel.
Okay.
So it's move the center of the web.
Sir, I'm unable to recall the property to take the box. Understand?
Means you are not able to move the box. Okay. You can use flex also or position also. Do you know about the positions in CSS?
Position. Yeah, means relative.
Yes, you can use. So Ankita, you can try after some time. Can you give me the concept of box model? What is box model?
Box model.
Hmm. What is box model?
No, sir.
Okay. What is box sizing? Do you know padding, margin?
Yes.
So what is padding and margin?
Margin and padding. Sir,
Hmm.
actually, I have not revised that concept, basic concepts of CSS. That's why I'm not
Okay. Okay.
trying.
Okay. We next move on JavaScript. Okay. So tell me what is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a scripting language and it is used to make the web pages dynamic web pages. We use the JavaScript for that purpose. And it is dynamic in nature.
Okay. It is a single-threaded language or multi-threaded?
It is a multi-threaded language,
It is a
but
multi-threaded.
no, sir, I'm not sure
Okay. Okay.
about that thing.
Okay. What are the data types in JavaScript?
Data types,
In JavaScript.
yes, 1 minute, sir. There are two types of data types, means the primitive data types and non-primitive data types. And in primitive data type stores only single value, and the undefined null, then num, then string, boolean. This comes under the primitive data types, and non-primitive data types can store multiple values, and array comes under non-primitive data types. Means it tells the type of the variable. Means if we assign the variable a, and if we want to if we assign bool variable, then it tells that it is the bool type. Means it tells the type of the variable.
Okay. What is the main difference between primitive and non-primitive?
Main difference.
Means as
So this is the one difference.
huh?
Means this is the ones.
No, these are the data types which are comes in the primitive and non-primitive. Means as you
No,
said,
means
string,
I
number,
only know.
boolean, undefined null. These are the primitive.
Yeah,
Array, object, function. These are the non-primitive.
yeah.
Okay. So, but main difference between non-primitive and primitive.
The one difference I know about the primitive and non-primitive is that primitive can hold the single values, means it can
Hmm.
hold one value at a time,
And
and
non-primitive.
non-primitive can hold multiple values at a time. So this is the one difference I know about this primitive and non-primitive.
Okay. What is array?
Array, it is used to store the multiple values. We can store multiple values in array
On the basis of
on the basis of Yes, on the basis of data types.
No. On the basis of key value pair or index number or other.
Index number. Yeah, okay. On the basis of index number.
Okay. And object?
Objects are it's a wholesome information in the we can give some
In the form
information.
of? In the form
Key
of?
value there.
Okay. What is double equal to and strictly equal to in JavaScript?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat the question?
What is double equal to and strictly equal to?
Okay. Double equal to, it is used to compare the values on both the side, on left hand side and right hand side. And triple equal to means equal to is used to can compare the values as well as the type of the LHS and RHS. Means double equal to only compare the values, and triple equal to compares the type, sorry, value and the type, which data type is, means type of that.
What is hoisting in JavaScript?
What is
hosting in JavaScript?
hosting? Oh,
Hmm.
sorry, sir. Yeah. I don't know, since I'm unable to recall.
Okay. What is function?
Function, it is a block that performs some specific task. Is to perform the operations, we use the functions.
What is factory function and constructor function?
I can tell about the constructor function. Constructor function, it is a means you are saying the function, right? By using the construction function, we can. It is the way of creating the objects. No, sir, I'm not sure about this.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are array methods?
Means should I tell some examples of that array
Yes.
methods?
You can give some example.
Yeah. Okay. There are the array methods like push method, pop method, then delete method, concat method. These are the array methods.
Okay. What is the difference between slice and splice?
I can tell about this splice that we can add and remove these splice methods, elements using the splice method, means SPLIC splice methods.
And what about slice?
I'm not sure, but I think that it is used to remove the elements.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is substring, substr, and slice?
No, sir. I don't know.
Okay. What are higher order function?
Higher order function are that functions which take a function as an argument and pass it to the another function. Means the examples of higher order functions. Higher order functions are that map, then filter, then sum, every. These are the higher order functions which take the functions as an argument and pass to the another function.
Okay. What is the difference between let, const, and var?
Let, constant, var. Okay. So 1 minute, sir. Okay. In variable, we can redeclare, means the values can be redeclared in the variable. And in the
You
latent,
can give example also. Means if
okay,
you want give the example, you can write.
okay. I will try, sir.
Okay.
Means in variable we can reassign the values, and in latent const we can't reassign the values. And the main difference is that variable can be redeclared, and a constant cannot be can be redeclared. Means, this is the constant. So means here we have already declared the A. We have declared 10 value in A, and in the function we have declared 12 value in the variable A. So this is not applicable for the constant. Means we can't do
But
this.
I want the difference between the let, constant, var.
Yes, sir. Means in variable we can redeclare the values, and in constant and let we can't redeclare the values.
And let,
We can't redeclare.
and in var we can reassign and redeclare.
We can't reassign, but we can redeclare the values.
No, but in var, when we declare using the var declaration, using var keyword, then we can reassign or redeclare, or both. Using var.
Sir, should I try with an example, because I'm also not
Yes.
sure.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, read after some time. Take a string and reverse it. Take anything string in the variable and reverse the string. This is a string or this is a array.
Array, this is the array.
Yes,
okay.
But I told you take a string in the variable. I think you write an object.
Mm.
Okay, but I told you take a declaration. Suppose take let str is equal to n double equal to in double in inverted comma or in double quote. Write the sentence anything.
Mm. Oh.
Yes, this is a string. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so uh, reverse the string means,
This reverse method is used on the array, I guess now.
but this is a string, no?
Yes.
You are able to do this or not?
But I have learned this, but right now I'm not able to do it.
Okay, okay. Next, we move on. Do you know callback function?
Yes, means it takes another function as an argument and returns the function.
Okay. What is the difference between map and for each?
Map and for each.
Mhm.
By for each, we can get for by using the map method. Map is used on array and it returns the new array map method by applying the same functionalities on the given array. This is the map method. And for each method is only used to get the numbers or get the elements from the array, means from the array. Means it doesn't return any new array.
Okay, okay. Got
Yeah.
it. Can we use for each on the string?
For each on string.
Uh,
Mm.
okay. I am sharing. Hello. Yes,
Yes.
I am sharing you one array in chat section. Please copy that array and write the program of odd and even number.
Odd and even number.
Yes, separate the odd numbers and even numbers.
Okay. Okay. This is not an array. So I have to separate the even numbers and odd numbers.
Yes.
Sir, can I do
Okay.
by
Yes.
by filter method? But
Yes.
but it's not working.
Write the code. Wrong. Something is wrong. I think your syntax uh, syntax is wrong. Filter the arrow function after the
Segment to this will this, then I will let filter on it. Then callback function will be given.
the parenthesis of no the parenthesis after the arrow function after the parenthesis num after yes. Hmm. Enter.
Oh, okay. I have used the CL function. That's why it was not getting the output.
Yes. Close the debugger. Click on the blue button.
Yes.
Click on line number 22. Hmm. Yes, you did it.
Yeah, I thought that I have declared this console.log
Yes.
CL variable. That's why
Yes.
it was not working.
In the current array, take duplicate numbers and write the program for remove the duplicate. In same array of numbers, take some duplicate number.
Okay.
Okay, and remove the duplicate numbers. You can use anything method.
The remove method is there. You can apply.
Yes, you can use.
But
I want output.
Yeah.
You can comment the code line number from 16 to 24 and write new code.
Yes, I'm thinking that by which method I can do that code. Means get that code. Means
You
I'm
can
aware
use
about this remove method, but how to apply it, I'm unable to recall it.
okay. Can you write the program for a square of the even number?
Square of?
Which we got the even array, line number 19. So
means I have to square the numbers present in the numbers array.
no. In the only even number.
Means I don't get the question that what you're saying.
Means you are separate the even number and odd number.
Yes.
So you have a even numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So square of even number.
Means
So line number 19, you got the only even number.
Even numbers.
Okay. Yes. So you can apply the functionality on the even number of array and square of it.
Square.
Means, yes. At line number 20, you can use the even number of array. At line number 19, you got the even number of array. Okay.
I got the question that what you're saying.
Yes, but what is the problem?
Means, can I apply map method to get this?
Yes.
It will return the new array, no? Map method.
But
okay. Sir, I will do. I don't really sure. I will try. Even. Is this correct?
Open the console. You write also at line number 24, you write CL.
Okay. Sorry.
This is a bad practice.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Close. Yes. Close the debugger. 1 minute. Click on the 23 number line number. 23 blue button. Yes. And click on blue button. Okay. Open console. Where is square?
Right.
24.
Square.
Square of even number.
Square.
Yes. Okay. Correct. Can you give me the difference between null and undefined?
Null and undefined.
Uh,
Okay. In null, it is an empty array. Null means that we only define the array, but we don't give any values to that. So this is the null means it is an empty. And undefined means we have declared that array, but we have not assigned that. We have not assigned any value to that.
Okay. What is function expression and function declaration?
No, sir, I don't have any idea about that.
Ankita, that's it. I'm done from my side. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. How will you rate my interview? Sir, can I stop the sharing, screen sharing?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Basically, Ankita, you need to do the practice hard on the JavaScript also, as well as the HTML CSS. Means you are not able to write the simple program. Means basically
Okay.
here your practice is very low. Okay,
Yes,
and
okay.
basically in the coding we need the practice, more practice. Basically we know the all the concepts, but when we write the code and when we share the screen, that time our mind is only blank then, and
Yes.
so that's why we are not able, and that time we thinking which method we are use, but the interviewer want the result only. You can use
Anyway.
any method. You can use also for loop. Yes, they checking your logic, you are able to solve this problem or not.
Actually, sir,
So
while interviewing, I got blank everything. Means whatever I have read or whatever I have done the practice. While giving the interview, I was totally blank. That's why
yes,
I,
yes.
yeah. But sir, other feedback that what should I improve means, like you were questioning to the me and I was giving you the answers directly that I don't know or I am unable to recall
No,
or
no.
anything that means I should improve or anything.
Ravi sir, you give the feedback about you. When I will tell you, I will tell the Ravi sir, and he will give the good feedback, means how to improve.
Okay, means
Because
Ravi sir will say that.
Is no. Okay.
Okay.
Another anything?
Sir, anything uh, that you want to add while interviewing me or anything? Means I
Yes,
am
do the
not
more practice.
satisfied with my interview because I have done a lot of practice and I have read the concept, but at this moment I was unable to recall the concept. Means you were asking me the simple things that difference between the undefined and null and about the CSS part. I have read that concept many times, but at this moment I was unable to answer that questions. So,
एक बात कहता हूँ, क्या कहता हूँ, मीन्स बेसिकली कोडिंग में यही होता है। आप हमको सब पता होता है कि कैसा है, क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसने, क्या बताना है, बट
तो मैंने
प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे
इससे
आता है
पहले
कि जब हम स्क्रीन शेयर करते हैं और तब कॉन्फिडेंस लो होता है और हम प्रोग्राम नहीं लिख पाते। मतलब जब मेरा भी फर्स्ट टाइम था ऐसे ही हुआ था। मीन्स
मतलब सर मैंने इंटरव्यूज दिए हुए हैं बहुत सारे, मतलब 3-4 इंटरव्यूज अभी तक फ्रंट एंड के दिए हुए हैं। वो मेरे मतलब उतने बुरे नहीं गए थे। मतलब जो एकदम फर्स्ट वाला इंटरव्यू था, मतलब मैंने इंटर्नशिप की हुई थी ना फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर में, तो कंपनी में इंटर्नशिप की हुई थी, तो वहां पे मेरा ऐसा ही था। मतलब फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू अच्छा नहीं गया था वहां पे। उन्होंने बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस किए थे, बट मैंने कुछ कंसेप्ट पढ़े ही नहीं थे, मैं ऐसे ही जाके इंटरव्यू दिया था मैंने। फिर
ये
बाद
तो
में
गलत है ना।
उसी सर ने मेरा 3-4 महीने के बाद इंटरव्यू लिया था। तो मैंने 2-3 इंटरव्यूज दिए थे, बट उस टाइम मतलब अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था। बट आज जब मतलब आपने इतना डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं लिया इंटरव्यू, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से तो,
यस
because
यस
you
यस।
were asking the basic things like what is the difference between wireless cons, these are the basic things. So but मुझे आंसर ही नहीं मतलब देना नहीं आया, मतलब कुछ ब्लैंक हो गया एकदम, कुछ मतलब याद ही नहीं आ रहा
मतलब
कि
तुम्हें क्या लगता है, तुम्हारे पास कॉन्फिडेंस लो है या तुम्हें कॉन्सेप्ट
नहीं।
याद नहीं रहते?
एक्चुअली मेरा एक थिंग हुआ था कि जो सर ने सेशंस लिए थे ना, तो उससे
हम्म।
3-4 जो सेशंस थे पिछले, तो उसका स्टडी मेरा हुआ नहीं था, मतलब मैंने किया नहीं था। उससे पहले का सब किया
हाँ।
था। तो हुआ ऐसा
हम्म।
कि जब इंटरव्यू 10 PM का था, तब मेरे दिमाग में वही घूम रहा था कि मेरे वो 4 सेशंस, मतलब सर ने डॉम पढ़ाया था, डॉक्यूमेंट ऑब्जेक्ट मॉडल। और मुझे
अच्छा।
लगा मतलब, हाँ, अगर उस पर कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो मुझे लगा कि अगर मैंने आंसर नहीं दे पाई तो वो क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में आया था।
नहीं
तो
नहीं,
उसका टेंशन मुझे
ऐसा
आ
कभी
गया
नहीं
था।
सोचना चाहिए। नहीं नहीं
हाँ,
नहीं।
तो वो टेंशन
देख
मुझे
लो,
आया कि अगर टॉम पे क्वेश्चन आए और अगर मुझे आंसर नहीं देना आया तो फिर क्या, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया था। तो वो उसी चक्कर में पिछला जो किया था वो सब मतलब ब्लैंक हो गया।
देखो कभी भी कोई भी इंटरव्यू ले रहा है तो कैसे सोचेगा तुम, फर्स्ट आंसर कैसे देते हो, पहले वो
हाँ,
जावास्क्रिप्ट के बारे में पूछेगा। अगर
हाँ,
तुम्हें उसका करेक्ट आंसर देना आया तो वो अगला क्वेश्चन पूछेगा। तुमने
हाँ,
मुझे वही स्ट्रिंग का आंसर नहीं बताया, इसने मैंने तुम्हें स्कोप नहीं पूछा, स्कोप के टाइप नहीं पूछे। एक्चुअली ये
हाँ,
तो इंपॉर्टेंट है बेसिकली फ्रंट एंड में, बहुत बेसिक
हाँ,
है ये।
हाँ, यस, यस।
यस। बेसिकली अगर तुमने होस्टिंग ही
नहीं,
नहीं
नहीं।
बता दिया तो स्कोप का तो बात में अलग ही है, उसके टाइप अलग है, वो कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं और उसमें डेप्थ में जाते हैं।
हाँ,
जैसे जैसे तुम्हें मतलब क्वेश्चन के आंसर तुम कैसे दे रहे हो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है कि तुम्हें क्या पूछना है।
नहीं सब मैंने वो
अगर
ही मतलब जो मैंने
हाँ,
रिवाइज नहीं किया, जो मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था ना, वो मेरे दिमाग में घूम रहा था कि अगर इस पे कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो अगर मैं आंसर नहीं दे पाऊंगी तो फिर कैसा इम्पैक्ट
और
होगा। तो उस
नॉर्मली
चक्कर में जो किया था वो भी भूल गई मैं, मतलब किया था, मतलब जो प्रैक्टिस थी, मतलब जो थी वो भी मैं भूल गई। मतलब प्रैक्टिस मेरी रोज चालू रहती है, मतलब इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं गया था, मतलब अभी जितना गया अचानक, मतलब जब मैंने आपने कंडीशन बोला था इवन और ऑड में, तो वो मुझे क्लिक भी नहीं हुआ कि हम मैप में कंडीशंस यूज नहीं करते, फिल्टर में कंडीशन यूज करते हैं। तो वो सर ने बहुत बार पढ़ाया था, उस पर बहुत मैंने प्रैक्टिस भी की थी। और अभी आपने जब इवन और ऑड सेपरेट करने के लिए बोला तो एकदम क्लिक भी नहीं हुआ मुझे, इतने बेसिक थिंग की मैप में हम कंडीशन नहीं यूज करते, कंडीशन अगर आई तो फिल्टर ही यूज करते। तो मतलब वो
नहीं
सब
नहीं,
ब्लैंक हो
उस
गया।
देख लो उस कंसेप्ट मैप एंड फिल्टर है ना, इन दोनों में यही डिफरेंस है कि मैप हम कंडीशन लगाते हैं बट
हाँ,
वो ऑल उसके ऊपर रहती है, और हमें स्पेसिफिक कोई चाहिए तो हम फिल्टर
हाँ,
करते हैं। मीन्स सिंपल आंसर कि हमें
ठीक
जब
है,
फिल्टर
हाँ,
आउट
यस,
करके न्यू एरे चाहिए तब हम फिल्टर यूज करेंगे।
हाँ,
और
यस
इंडस्ट्री
सर,
में बहुत बहुत काम आता है फिल्टर, मैप, फॉर ईच। तुमने
या,
कहा कि फॉर ईच हम स्ट्रिंग के ऊपर यूज करते हैं, फॉर ईच कभी भी स्ट्रिंग के ऊपर काम नहीं करता।
या,
यस। तो जो भी
यस,
कंसेप्ट है ना, थोड़ा सा रीड आउट करना, रिवाइज करना, ये बहुत, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा ही रहता है।
हाँ,
हाँ, अभी ये तो तुम्हारा फर्स्ट ही है यहाँ पे तो।
हाँ, यहाँ
और
पे फर्स्ट ही है।
हाँ, और
मतलब मेरी
जो
गलती
मैंने,
हुई है, जो मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था ना उसके बारे में सोच सोच के जो किया था, मतलब जो आ रहा था वो भी क्या ब्लैंक हो गया पूरा।
नहीं, ऐसे
मतलब
घबराना नहीं चाहिए।
मुझे इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चंस कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगे, मतलब इजी था इंटरव्यू वैसे तो। आपकी तरफ से आपने इजी क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, बेसिक
हाँ,
थे, इतने भी
वो तो
टफ
है।
नहीं थे। बेसिक ही थे लेकिन आंसर नहीं दे पाई मैं।
और मैंने तुम्हें यही पूछा था कि ब्लॉक लेवल, इनलाइन, ये तो पता होना चाहिए कि क्या
यस,
कॉन्सेप्ट है ये।
बराबर।
हाँ, क्योंकि ये तो फ्रंट एंड का एकदम बेसिक पार्ट
हाँ,
है।
बेसिक पार्ट है, यस, बराबर।
यस। और जो मैंने तुम्हें वो प्रोग्राम दिया था कि सेंटर में ड्यू जाना है, ये एकदम सिंपल है। ये तो 10 साल का भी एक्सपीरियंस हो गया ना उनको पूछते ही है।
यस सर।
और आदमी क्या ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में जाके वो कंप्लीट नहीं करता
हाँ सर,
कि ये
मतलब
क्या सिंपल
सिलेबस
प्रोग्राम है, इसका
पार्ट।
क्या। और जब हम स्क्रीन शेयर करके प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं ना, तब कैसा माइंड एकदम ब्लैंक होके कुछ नहीं लिखने आता, फिर क्या लिखूं मैं
हाँ,
यहाँ पे अभी।
एक्चुअली सर मैंने ये सेशन मतलब HTML और CSS मतलब सेशन किए नहीं थे, मैंने डायरेक्ट JS से स्टार्ट किया था। मतलब जब JS स्टार्ट हुआ था तो उस बैच से मैं ज्वाइन हुई थी, और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि HTML CSS तो आता ही है, मतलब CSS के अप्लाई
नहीं
करना मतलब आएगा ही
नहीं
ऐसे। तो फिर
ऐसा कभी नहीं समझना चाहिए
हाँ यस
कितना भी,
सर।
क्योंकि फ्रंट एंड में मोर इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारा HTML CSS, उसके ऊपर
हाँ
स्टाइलिंग
यस
करना, लेआउट क्रिएट करना। क्योंकि
यस
ओनली तुम लॉजिक लिख रही हो, बट अगर तुम्हें कुछ डिजाइन क्रिएट करना है, उसके ऊपर
हाँ
फंक्शनलिटी
यस
ऐड करनी है, तो तुम्हें वो भी आना ही चाहिए ना।
यस यस
सो प्लीज ट्राई एंड डू प्रैक्टिस मोर,
यस सर यस श्योर।
क्योंकि इसके ऊपर यही ऑप्शन है और अदर तो
हाँ
कुछ भी नहीं है।
यस सर।
और इसका एक प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर हमने 8 दिन के बाद कोई उसको प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया तो ये भूल जाता है।
हाँ भूल जाते हैं सर,
यस,
वो रेगुलर
जावास्क्रिप्ट जितना भी सीखा वो
प्रैक्टिस।
ब्लैंक हो जाता है, जावास्क्रिप्ट का जे भी नहीं सोचता। सही है।
यस।
ओके, ओके, थैंक्स, गुड नाइट।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। गुड नाइट सर। अब यार